Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, but when it becomes chronic, it can have a significant impact on our physical health. In this video, we'll explore the various physical symptoms that can arise when stress takes hold of our bodies. Understanding these signs is the first step toward managing stress more effectively. Let's begin by looking at how stress affects us physically and why it's important to pay attention to these signals. One of the most common physical symptoms of stress is muscle tension. You might notice tightness in your neck, shoulders, or back, especially after a long, stressful day. This tension can lead to discomfort and even chronic pain if not addressed. It's your body's way of preparing to face a perceived threat, but over time, constant muscle tension can become exhausting. Regular stretching and relaxation techniques can help relieve this symptom. Headaches are another frequent physical sign of stress. Tension headaches in particular are closely linked to stress and can feel like a tight band around your head. Migraines may also be triggered or worsened by stressful situations. If you find yourself reaching for pain relievers more often, it could be your body's way of signaling that stress is taking a toll. Paying attention to these headaches can help you identify when you need to take a break. Feeling unusually tired or lacking energy is a classic symptom of stress. When your body is constantly on high alert, it uses up more energy, leaving you feeling drained. This fatigue can make it difficult to concentrate, complete daily tasks, or even enjoy activities you usually love. If you notice persistent tiredness, it might be time to evaluate your stress levels and consider ways to recharge. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it can also disrupt your digestive system. Many people experience stomachaches, nausea, or changes in appetite when they're stressed. Some may have trouble digesting food, while others might notice more frequent trips to the bathroom. These digestive issues are your body's way of reacting to stress, and they can become chronic if stress isn't managed. Have you ever noticed your heart racing during stressful moments? A rapid heartbeat is a common physical response to stress. This happens because your body is releasing adrenaline, preparing you to react quickly. While this can be helpful in emergencies, frequent episodes of a racing heart can be uncomfortable and even alarming. If you experience this often, it's important to find ways to calm your mind and body. Stress can sometimes make it feel harder to breathe. You might notice shallow or rapid breathing, especially during anxious moments. This is your body's way of getting more oxygen to your muscles, but it can also make you feel lightheaded or panicked. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help you regain control and reduce this uncomfortable symptom. Excessive sweating, especially in your palms or underarms, can be a direct result of stress. This is part of your body's fight or flight response, preparing you to face a challenge. While sweating is normal, if you notice it happening more often during stressful situations, it's a sign that your body is reacting strongly to stress. Staying cool and practicing relaxation can help manage this symptom. Stress can wreak havoc on your sleep patterns. You might find it hard to fall asleep, wake up frequently during the night, or feel unrested in the morning. Poor sleep can make stress even worse, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Establishing a calming bedtime routine and managing stress during the day can help improve your sleep quality. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses like colds and infections. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, stress could be a contributing factor. Taking steps to manage stress can help strengthen your body's natural defenses and keep you healthier in the long run. Stress can cause changes in your eating habits. Some people lose their appetite and eat less, while others may crave comfort foods and eat more than usual. These shifts can lead to weight changes and impact your overall health. Being mindful of your eating patterns during stressful times can help you maintain a balanced diet. Many people unconsciously clench their jaws or grind their teeth when stressed, especially at night. This can lead to jaw pain, headaches, and even dental problems over time. If you wake up with a sore jaw or notice your teeth are sensitive, stress might be the culprit. Relaxation exercises and mouth guards can help protect your teeth. Stress can also show up on your skin. You might notice breakouts, rashes, or increased sensitivity. Conditions like eczema or psoriasis can flare up during stressful periods. Taking care of your skin and managing stress can help reduce these issues and keep your skin healthier. Chest pain can be a frightening symptom of stress. While it's important to rule out any serious medical conditions, stress can cause tightness or discomfort in the chest. This is often related to muscle tension or anxiety. If you experience chest pain, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional, but also consider how stress might be contributing. If you're catching colds or infections more often, stress could be weakening your immune system. Chronic stress reduces your body's ability to fight off germs, leaving you more vulnerable. Supporting your immune health through rest, nutrition, and stress management is essential for staying well. Dizziness or feeling lightheaded can be a physical response to stress. This can happen when you're anxious or overwhelmed, and it's often linked to changes in breathing or blood pressure. If you notice dizziness during stressful times, try to sit down, breathe deeply, and give yourself a moment to recover. For women, stress can disrupt the menstrual cycle, causing irregular periods or increased symptoms like cramps and bloating. Hormonal changes triggered by stress can make cycles unpredictable. If you notice changes in your menstrual health, consider how stress might be playing a role and talk to your healthcare provider if needed. Stress can sometimes lead to hair loss or thinning. This happens because stress can push hair follicles into a resting phase, causing more hair to fall out than usual. While this is often temporary, it can be distressing. Managing stress and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help your hair recover over time. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure, which increases the risk of heart disease and other health problems. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that temporarily raise your blood pressure. Over time, this can become a serious health concern. Regular monitoring and stress management are key to keeping your blood pressure in check. Some people experience trembling or shaking hands when they're under stress. This is another sign of the body's fight or flight response. While it's usually harmless, frequent trembling can be unsettling. Practicing relaxation techniques and addressing the sources of stress can help reduce this symptom. Stress can also affect your bladder, leading to more frequent urination. This happens because stress hormones can stimulate your body's urge to empty the bladder. While it's not usually a sign of a serious problem, it can be inconvenient. Managing stress can help reduce this symptom over time. Decrease in sexual desire is another common physical symptom of stress. When your body is focused on dealing with stress, it may put less energy into other functions, including libido. If you notice changes in your interest in intimacy, stress could be a factor. Open communication and stress reduction can help restore balance. Some people experience numbness or tingling in their hands, feet, or face during stressful times. This can be caused by changes in blood flow or muscle tension. While usually harmless, persistent numbness should be checked by a doctor to rule out other causes. Stress management can help reduce these sensations. Stress can make you more sensitive to pain. You might notice that aches and pains feel more intense or last longer when you're stressed. This is because stress affects how your brain processes pain signals. Taking steps to relax and manage stress can help reduce your overall pain levels. Stress can sometimes cause eye problems like blurred vision, twitching, or dryness. These symptoms are usually temporary but can be uncomfortable. If you notice changes in your vision during stressful times, take a moment to rest your eyes and practice relaxation techniques. Along with a rapid heartbeat, stress can cause your heart rate to stay elevated for longer periods. This puts extra strain on your cardiovascular system and can lead to long-term health issues if not managed. Regular exercise and relaxation can help bring your heart rate back to normal. Sweaty palms are a classic sign of stress and anxiety. This happens as part of your body's preparation to deal with a challenge. While it's usually harmless, it can be embarrassing or uncomfortable. Keeping your hands clean and dry and practicing stress reduction can help manage this symptom. Muscle twitches or spasms can occur when you're under stress. These involuntary movements are usually harmless but can be annoying. They often happen in the eyelids, arms, or legs. Getting enough rest and reducing stress can help minimize these twitches. When you're stressed, blood flow is redirected to your core organs, which can leave your hands and feet feeling cold. This is a normal response, but if it happens often, it's a sign your body is under stress. Keeping warm and practicing relaxation can help improve circulation. You might notice yourself sighing more often when you're stressed. This is your body's way of trying to get more oxygen and release tension. While sighing is usually harmless, frequent sighing can be a sign that you need to address underlying stress. Restlessness or feeling unable to sit still is another physical sign of stress. You might find yourself packing, tapping your feet, or fidgeting more than usual. This is your body's way of releasing nervous energy. Finding healthy outlets for this energy like exercise or creative activities can help. Yawning more than usual can be a sign of stress or fatigue. Your body may be trying to get more oxygen or signal that it needs rest. If you notice frequent yawning, it could be a sign that stress is affecting your energy levels. A dry mouth can be a physical response to stress. When you're anxious, your body may produce less saliva, leading to a parched feeling. Staying hydrated and practicing relaxation can help alleviate this symptom. Beyond sweaty palms, stress can cause you to sweat more overall. This is especially noticeable during stressful events or public speaking. While it's a normal response, it can be uncomfortable. Wearing breathable clothing and managing stress can help. Stress can lead to digestive upset, including bloating, gas, or diarrhea. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and disruptive. Eating a balanced diet and managing stress can help keep your digestive system healthy. A tight or lump in the throat feeling is a common stress response. This sensation is caused by muscle tension and can make swallowing uncomfortable. Relaxation and slow breathing can help ease this symptom. While not strictly physical, racing thoughts can lead to physical symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and muscle tension. When your mind is constantly active, your body can feel the effects. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help calm your thoughts and reduce physical stress symptoms. If you're catching colds more often, stress could be to blame. Chronic stress weakens your immune system, making it harder to fight off viruses. Prioritizing rest and stress management can help you stay healthier. Stress can sap your motivation, making it hard to start or finish tasks. This lack of drive can lead to procrastination and increased stress. Setting small goals and celebrating progress can help rebuild your motivation. Heart palpitations or the feeling that your heart is skipping a beat can be triggered by stress. While usually harmless, frequent palpitations should be checked by a doctor. Reducing stress can help decrease these episodes. Muscle pain or soreness can be a direct result of stress. Tension builds up in your muscles, leading to aches and discomfort. Regular exercise, stretching, and relaxation can help relieve muscle pain caused by stress. Some people experience more hiccups or burping when stressed. This can be due to changes in breathing or digestive function. While usually harmless, it can be a sign that your body is reacting to stress. Clammy or cool, moist skin can be a physical sign of stress. This happens as your body tries to regulate temperature during stressful moments. If you notice clammy skin, take a moment to relax and cool down. A tingling or crawling sensation on your scalp can be caused by stress. This is usually harmless but can be distracting. Taking breaks and practicing stress relief can help reduce this sensation. Recognizing the physical symptoms of stress is crucial for maintaining your overall health. From muscle tension and headaches to digestive issues and sleep disturbances, stress can affect nearly every part of your body. By paying attention to these signals, you can take proactive steps to manage stress and improve your well-being. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. If you're experiencing persistent symptoms, consider reaching out to a healthcare professional for support.